Hello, my YouTube community. I am back again. I have to first of all apologize for being away for so long. A lot of things took my time away from here, but I am fully back now. So, tonight we are making pasta. These are the simple recipe we are going to use: green pepper, pasta, chicken, vegetable oil, sesame oil, oyster, atarodo, which is shombo, cayenne pepper, seasoning, salt, onion. So I went ahead and I grated the onion. I used the the processor. I didn't want to have that smooth blend, so I used the food processor for it. Everything is on fire. I'm already frying it, yes. And I came to pay attention to the chicken. I'm butchering it. I'm going to have this with grilled chicken. Just sit down, watch, and see the magic. Please do not mind the plaster in my hand. I just came back from the hospital and I was craving for pasta. I decided to make this. Sit, watch, and learn. So I'm mixing what I'm going to use the ingredients to season the chicken before putting it in the oven. Inside that plate, I have paprika, salt, seasoning cube, curry, sesame oil, oyster. I mixed all of them together. I just got this oyster seasoning. I added it to the plate. I'm so serious. See how serious my face is. Oyster, I'm marketing your product, so I think you should make me your brand ambassador. Yeah, very little of it because it's just that chicken there. You stir it together. After stirring it, I'm going to go ahead with my hand. Remember, I have washed this hand. You don't do it with your hand that is not clean. If you notice the chicken having section, I have just cut that chicken so that the seasoning will penetrate inside the chicken. Before I started, I patted the chicken with paper towel to reduce the water in there. Take a look at what I'm doing. This is simple. I advise people to have your food, even if you don't like chicken. By the time I'm done with this chicken, omo, you must beg for more. Watch me. See how serious I am. That is exactly the face of my father. Then you go ahead to put it in the baking pan, your oven pan, or you call it baking pan. I'm going to add plantain. Have you tried this recipe? Cut your plantain, add to this while you are roasting your chicken. Use just one stone to kill multiple birds. I'm trying to use the recipe in the chicken to rub off the plantain, at least so that you have a very good taste. Straight to the oven. While this is cooking, I came back to the sauce I'm going to use for this bag. It's still cooking. I'm adding my seasoning, paprika, curry, salt. Please, when adding salt to your food, consider your taste. You know, there is nothing you can use to reduce salt in the soup. This is the stock, chicken stock I had in the freezer. I needed to use it since I didn't boil this chicken to make use of the stock. How many of you missed me? I am fully back. If you have not subscribed to this channel, remember to subscribe to Cook with the Lawyer's Recipe. I am back. and I'm back with amazing recipes. You'll be glad you stayed glued here. Now I'm boiling the spaghetti. I don't like breaking it. I added salt to it. Be generous with water because you are going to sieve it out. Now I'm sieving out the spag, the water, sent it back to the pot, adding my sauce, which is very well cooked. Remember, the spaghetti is cooked. In a jiffy, this will be ready. The spaghetti is ready. Come with me so that you enjoy this. Now I'm adding my carrots, my green pepper. I like eating them crunchy. If this is your first time here, tell me how you feel about this meal. Enjoy the rest of your day. Our chicken is ready. I'm going to bring it out now. This is sumptuous. Serving it with the chicken. So come with me, let us taste this food. Very, very delicious. Our food is ready. Thank you.